digital instrumentation cluster. We're taking RV driving experiences into the future with the industry's first fully integrated instrumentation cluster that is all digital. It's designed in collaboration with Mercedes-Benz. This OptiView is inspired by the current S-Class dash. This user-friendly system features a bright anti-glare display touchscreen for integrated operations as well, and you can control that here off of the steering wheel column. We also include the radio and rear view camera monitoring system with a 10.1-inch LCD color touchscreen monitor, a handheld remote. This includes controls for the rear color camera. It does also integrate then with Sirius XM satellite radio that does include the antenna and is already Sirius XM satellite radio. It does include HDMI connectivity. It also features Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to pair up your smartphone or tablet for not only hands-free calling, voice navigation off of Google Maps, or even the Rand McNally RV GPS app on the iOS App Store, but also it allows you to pair up to listen to all of your downloaded music as well as audio apps such as Spotify, Pandora, Radio App One directly using Bluetooth connectivity.